Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about the topic that is earthquakes. An earthquake is 100% going to happen. In earthquake, basically, we are discussing that currencies, and currencies basically are dependent of the Indian currency, right? That is INR. Only INR basically can't rule the India, basically, right? Only INR can India only can run basically without any support basically. Only India can run their country basically. No, that is not possible. Only basically India can run their country basically. No, that's not possible. Why? Because the creation has done like this. Creation has been done like this that you require the basically lots of country basically. You require the lots of country basically. So one person told that basically if I say that SAP creation, then PHP creation, this all contains the Second World War and First World War data, then it will be correct or wrong. Then he told that it's 100% correct. Then he told that basically First World died people, Second World War died people are created as a caste in India. Assume that there are basically 15 to 16 basically caste created in India, which are basically the human clones basically, which are basically generated from those death people basically that are First World War and Second World War died people basically converted into human souls, and they basically got set of caste, that is basically 15-16 caste basically is created in India. If I say this, then it's correct or not? It's 100% correct. So one person told that basically, do you have the list of this caste basically? Do you have the list of that caste basically? Then he told that basically that data are very dangerous data you are asked actually. But one of the big software company that are the top 100 software company, they told that basically we have the data. The people who died from the First World War, from the Second World War, currently war basically not going, but for lots of war basically has happened. From that basically lots of people has died basically. So where are basically those people basically? Then one of the person basically told that basically we have created some caste basically of that people basically, so that it should be remember basically that this caste is basically created from that war. So this is dangerous or very dangerous? So like this he told that basically, are you sure basically you are telling me? Then one person told that basically you ask World Health Organization here basically if you have any doubt basically. They basically know which caste basically is created from which people basically. That 5 crore people basically we have discussed, right? Exactly same way basically the lots of caste has been created that are basically human cloning basically. So here one of the person told that the big peoples basically who dies basically. Big means very rich people and very famous peoples, politicians, actress, they dies right basically. But they basically their body basically are so powerful that basically the person who created this all sectors basically he will never allow that body to dispose. So he creates the human clones. So Bollywood basically says that basically we have our lots of actress basically who has actually died, but they are converted into fresh face and launched into the market. That are basically the current heroines basically. So that's very difficult to track also. You can't track that basically. This is current generation or basically it's old generation. Nobody in this world basically can track that. That was the word basically told by the Bollywood. And if it's Bollywood, then Hollywood by default basically they are one step plus basically. But there basically mostly people says that basically people who died in Bollywood, Hollywood, they basically shifts into the Bollywood basically with the new human souls basically inside the body basically. There are lots of people basically, but one person told that basically you have the proof basically, then you can ask the World Health Organization basically. Yeah? They are passing the data of energy basically to each and every people basically. So 900 crore people basically are getting the energy. They are not getting like this basically. So he told that you are correct. So like this only the potato and tomato energy basically has created, and planet also has created. So it's dangerous, or it's very dangerous. That basically the people who create this whole everything basically, it's basically not dangerous for them basically. That's all thing a normal process basically, they say that basically. Now one of the person basically told this type of creation basically, one is nature creation, that is basically from the birth basically you get from the mother birth. Second is the human clone creation. It's good, which is good basically. Then one of the person told that basically on last day of world you will get clear everything basically, which was good basically. On last day of world you will get everything clear, whether this type of clear creation was good or not good basically. The person basically who runs the world basically, they tells basically that it's very difficult to create blood here basically. It's very difficult to create blood, and we found this way basically. Whether it's correct, not correct, that basically is another thing basically. Then one of the person told that everybody knows that, right? Human clone system is basically there. Then he told that yes basically. Then human clone means, sorry, human souls basically. Human souls equal to set of energy which is basically generated, right? According to that basically their body structure gets the power basically. That it is, in simple language, that is human souls basically. That is basically created by set of groups basically, who are like Brahma Kumari group are there, then Patanjali groups are there, then many groups are there basically, who basically are into this only basically. ISKCON group is there basically. Nowadays basically Sri Ram Ayodhya basically is also created, so they are also going to jump into this. Like this basically many groups are, and Shiv God group is there basically. God groups basically are there. They basically have lots of sanstha basically. They basically, in that basically lots of BME peoples basically are there. Lots of doctors basically are working, but they works basically as a part time basically. They have their own profession also. They checks each and everything basically and give the data to the nuclear power company that this is the data, you can prepare it. So nuclear power company gets the data that these all are the basically attributes you have to take into this human souls basically. This is the human souls basically. In this basically you have to take the data. This all actually what these groups are doing. These groups are creating the ideas basically for other planets, not for Earth planet basically. Earth planet basically they are doing it. They are basically getting the data from other planet. But Earth planet basically also have to do something now basically. So they are basically creating their ideas basically. So that basically in future anything will happen to Earth planet basically. At least basically some of the country can be saved. At least basically some of the country basically can be saved. So that's why basically they are doing this. So that basically in future last day condition comes, last day condition gets satisfied. That time basically at least some country basically will be safe. For that purpose basically all people are doing the hard work. All people are doing the hard work. Like this one of the person told that basically which human clones, sorry, which human souls basically generate which type of ideas basically. Then basically one person told that basically that's good question actually you asked. So in next video basically we are going to see the thing basically which how basically the human souls basically are connected with each and every ideas, views basically. Reason there basically bodies are generating the ideas basically which are basically used for the other planets basically, and the other planets basically are going to use these ideas and going to generate the next level of planet basically. In next video basically we are going to see this only.